This video we're going to talk about the course participation report. This is an excellent place to look at how students are interacting with content. So I'm going to go under reports. I'm going to go down to course participation. And so we have some choices here. So we can pick a specific like resource. So I'm going to pick a book tool. I can choose a date or a date range. This is really handy if you're currently working with a piece of content and you can see just, for instance, what students have done in the last couple of days on it. I'm going to choose the full length of the semester. I want to choose students. I want to look at what they've done. If you're doing groups, you can choose the group here, so just to see how a specific group is looking at the material. I'm going to hit go, and so I can see here these students have been looking at this content a lot. Some have not. So I can select all or a specific student, and then I can go down here and say message that student to say, hey, notice you haven't been looking at this. I can also select all no's, so there it checks all the ones that haven't been interacting, and then I can message those students to say, hey, notice you haven't been doing this work or haven't been looking at this material. Please see me for help, that type of thing. So it's a great way to intervene for a student to help that student's success, making sure they're looking at your materials.